Good day, guten Morgen, buenos dias, and any other language I forgot. My name is Jason Ramlal, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the group policy implementations and setting in the Server 2008 R2. Now, you might be asking yourself, why use group policy? Well, I'm just going to quote from Microsoft website here. I did my research, so it's not plagiarism here. And it states that group policy is an infrastructure that allows you to implement specific configurations for users and computers. Well, what does that mean? Well, group policy allows you to manage your computers, users and computer objects in a more effective manner. So when I say that, you could actually, deny certain aspects and settings on a client machine to a user within the network or within your domain. So administrator, this could be very handy because you wouldn't want having your systems, configuring all sorts of fashions to anybody who have use on the network on their personal computer. So it might save your job too. So getting started, I'm just going to explain what I'm going to do here today. Today I'm going to deny access to the control panel in a particular user on the network, right? So you can see here I have two users set up. If I start, so you see I have a user Mike MJ Jordan, and then I go on to this other machine here, Vista machine. You see I have a Al Capone, right? So I'm going to deny access to the control panel to the Vista machine, which is the Al Capone, and allow it in the Windows machine, which would be the user Jordan, right? So let's just get started. I need to pull up my Server 2008 here. So first you would want to go to start in a server. Let's get rid of these other VMs here. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of this here for now. Right. So first you want to go to start in your server. Then you want to go proceed to administrative tools. Then you're going to go to group policy management. So you're going to hit that. Okay, so here we are in the group policy management. We're going to expand our forest. So you see that in the domain here, jason.com. We're going to expand that. Then we're going to expand the domain. Alright? Expand also jason.com. So you will see here the group policy object. We're going to expand that. So you see in here now they have default domain controller policies and default domain policy. Those are policies that was created by default from the domain that are created, but we would want to create our own, right? And the object of our group policy that will be created is to deny access to the control panel to a specific user, right? So we're going to right click on group policy objects. Then we're going to go to new. So we'll have to give the new GPU a sensible name, right? We wouldn't name it anything that really do reflect the policy. So we're just going to call it control panel access denied, or deny control panel access, any which one you choose. Okay, so then we're going to hit OK here. So then we're going to select the policy that we created that deny the control panel access. We're going to right click on save, and then we're going to hit edit. Then we're going to go to policies here. Yes, actually, you'll go to the policies under user configuration, right? You'll go to that one. Expand that, then you will go to administrative templates. Then you'll go to control panel. Then here, let's expand this a bit here. You'll go to prohibit access to the control panel. Then you're going to double click on it. Okay, it's not responding here. Okay. Right, so it finally comes up here. So you see the options here: not configured, enable, disable. So you're going to hit enable, right? And in this box here, you could actually put a comment, as to why enable, you disable the control panel in this system and stuff. So when the other administrator comes in, they will actually see the comment. So we just put a comment for comment's sake. You just say, we deny it a Capone. You say Al Capone is, what you say, part-time worker. Right. So you see we had our comment. Right. I'm going to hit apply. Hit OK. Just going to minimize that there now. Then we're going to go back to the domain, the server actually. Just going back to our control panel group policy that we configured here. If you take a look here, you can see, sorry, where did it go? Right. If you take a look here, you could actually see the control panel option, prohibit access to control panel. You see state enable, and you have a comment yes. Okay, so we're gonna close out this. Then we're gonna go back to our domain, right? Houston.com, and we're gonna right click on it. So, right. Then we're gonna hit link an existing GPU. Yes, okay, then we go to the GPU we created, which is deny control panel access, and we're going to hit OK. Alright, but remember we want this to affect one user, that is the Al Capone. So we're going to go to the policy we created here, expand this a bit. Then we're going to remove the authenticated users. Then we're going to add one. Right, so we're going to add the user that we want deny access to. We're going to check names. So we have this person here. So this person will be denied access to the control panel. So we're going to hit OK. Right. I'm just going to minimize that here, sorry. Right, then we're going to go to the command prompt. And we're going to type in the command gp update / force. So you see it's updating here. Right, so you see it states user policy update has completed successfully. So we just want to check that now to see if it actually works. So we will have to reboot each of these client machines here. So remember, we want to deny access to the control panel to Al Capone. So you see the control panel access is here. So we're just going to restart this here. Alright, so we're going to restart our Mike Jordan client machine as well. Okay, so you see our two client machines have been restarted. So we're going to check the setting to see if the control panel was denied in the system that we said it would be denied in. I'm going to log into the Al Capone now actually. Right, so you're going to check the Mike Jordan. You see Mike Jordan, so we have control panel here. We can actually go in the control panel. Right, so we want to check the control panel in the Al Capone. And you can see there's no control panel here. Alright, so if you want, you can still want to check. I can get rid of that here. I'm going to check for control panel. Oh, there it is. Let's check and see. So you see, it states this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your administrator, which is me. But this person would not be having access to the control panel because of the group policy that we created. Now, it is not subjected to the control panel alone. As you could see in the setting there, you could deny whatever you want on the system, so the user won't have access to it. And basically that was it in group policy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, goodbye.